First it was barking, now it's coughing. Hillary Clinton suffered an epic coughing fit on the campaign trail.
You can make a difference.
She sipped water, but it didn't help much.
Too much to say.
Then she popped a lozenge, but that didn't work either.
Wow.
Hillary's coughing fit lasted a full 2 minutes. Even when it finally subsided, her voice still sounded strained.
You're a great amen chorus. Thank you.
It's happened before.
Excuse me.
You need some water, madam?
This was the scene during a congressional hearing on Benghazi last year, and this during a speech in Iowa just a few weeks ago. So does the presidential candidate have a medical issue? I went to ear, nose, and throat specialist Dr. Jonathan Aviv. From what you're seeing in the video, what are you seeing going on here?
Well, there are a couple of things. It's not just cough. There's some hoarseness, there's some throat clearing. In fact, there's some frequent throat clearing.
You know,
when you have these trio of symptoms, you have to think of what I call throat burn reflux, which is acid reflux affecting the throat.
Dr. Aviv says Hillary might have made a mistake by reaching for those lozenges. If you suffer from acid reflux and you're stuck in the middle of a cough attack, the doctor tells us a lozenge is not the best way to go. There's actually a breathing technique that he says will shut off the cough like a light switch.
Close your lips and sniff. So, right? And then instead of opening your mouth and pushing the air out, tighten your core and as slowly as possible. You have to learn this. Slowly, there we go.
Clinton's coughing fit came the day after she raised eyebrows by barking. It might be catching. Jeb Bush had a similar moment when he slammed Donald Trump's debate technique.
It's not a skill set I ever envisioned being necessary to aspire to the presidency of the United States, but I've gotten better at it.